You welcome back guys, let's find video. In today's video I will tell you how to fix Twitter limit rate limit exhausted problem. Please wait a few moments then try again. How to fix? So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all what you have to do is just come back and open your mobile Play Store and then App Store, Play Store or App Store icon here. Let me show you guys. After that you have to search the Twitter and then uninstall the Twitter and again reinstall the Twitter. Okay guys, you know that I give credit with video quality, so please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon or never miss an update. Twitter download pending. Hey guys, my name is Amish and you are watching my YouTube channel Ultimate Tech Pro. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, Twitter download complete. After that you have to log in your Twitter account, and after that you have to come back and then open your mobile settings icon here and then scroll it down, click the app management and then click the app list, and then after that you have to search the Twitter. Select the Twitter app, click the storage and click the clear data and click the OK. After that you have to come back and click the permissions and click the microphone and click the allow only while using the app, and after that you have to click the storage and click the allow access to media only. Your problem fixed. So guys, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. All never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.